Hey, what's up, everyone? So I'm back with another video, and in today's video, we're going to talk about becoming a armed security guard in New York State. We're going to go over the information, and just to let you know, you do have to be an unarmed guard first before you can begin the process of becoming a armed security guard. And I do have a video with information on becoming a unarmed security guard. So if you need that information, you can find it on the page. So first, I'll go straight into the checklist so you can know what qualifies you to become an armed guard in New York State before you do any other steps. This would be the first thing you should do. All right, so first off, you have to be 21 years of age or older at the time of enrollment. You must be a resident of New York City or surrounding county. You must be legal resident of United States of America. You must possess a valid New York State photo ID. You must possess a valid Social Security card or green card, whichever one applies to you. You must possess a valid security guard license for unarmed security guards before the 47-hour training starts to become an armed security guard. You cannot have any felony convictions, no parole, no probation, no outstanding warrants. You cannot have any domestic violence or order of protection issues. You cannot have any physical or mental impairments that may affect the use of firearms. You cannot have any delinquent child support issues. You have to have the ability to obtain a New York City or surrounding county firearm license. And first off, you'll begin, that's the checklist there. So once you go through the checklist and you qualify yourself, then you know, okay, I can invest into something like this because you don't want to go ahead and pay for a training or a course like this that can be costly before you begin, before you do the checklist. Also, the process can take up to a year long because you do have to obtain your pistol permit before you can begin the 47-hour course, and you're going to have to go through the New York Police Department in order to do so. You'll submit your application and you'll conduct interviews with the New York Police Department, the NYPD. So once you've gone through your checklist and you qualify, then you can go ahead and apply for the pistol permit. And let's say you are granted the pistol permit, then you can begin the 47-hour course. And first off, you're going to attend the initial classroom training. That's where you go through the use of force and the use of deadly force. Going to go through some of what the course covers. All right. So the course covers firearm safety, storage of firearms, flashlight techniques, use of cover and concealment, reloading techniques, justification of the use of deadly force, and basic officer survival skills. So you'll go through that training. First off, as we said, you'll go through the use of force, deadly physical force, and then the shooting skills. You'd have to go through the shooting qualifications. That's where the firearm safety is taught. First in the classroom, shooting and qualifications will be conducted at several New York City or New York State gun ranges. Now, if you successfully complete the course, you'll be issued a certification for the 47-hour course. Once you obtain the certification, then you can begin to transition your unarmed security guard registration card to a armed guard security guard registration card. Now, it is a good field of work working as an armed guard because you still have room to grow. You can still transition into armored car, where they transport products and materials and things of that sort. But you'll also possibly need a CDL and to go through the shotgun permit training. But I'll go over how to do the armed guard process in another video. So back to the armed guard. So you go through the qualification, make sure the checklist is good. You get the pistol permit. You're gonna go through interviews with the New York Police Department. If you're granted the pistol permit, you do the 47-hour course. And once you finish the 47-hour course successfully, then you can transition your unarmed security guard registration card to the armed guard security guard registration card. And just be sure to do the unarmed security guard registration training first before you transition over to an armed guard. Now, I hope the information was valuable. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you think that this may be good information for someone, make sure you share it to whom you think it may be good information to. If you like the content on our channel, be sure to subscribe so you can be notified when I do my next video. All right. Thank you, everyone. Until next time.